Hello and welcome to Fine Arts by Hafsa. In this video, we'll be creating a beautiful watercolor portrait of Imran Khan, who is not just a leader but also my hero. Before we start painting, we need to gather all the materials we'll need. We'll need a watercolor paper, a set of watercolor paints, a palette, water and brushes. Using a pencil, we'll start by sketching the basic outline of Imran Khan's face and features onto the watercolor paper. We'll start with his head shape, then add in his eye, nose, mouth and ears. Portrait, we'll use a light wash of colors to start, gradually building up the layers to add more depth and dimensions to the portrait. Once we have the basic color in place, we'll start adding the darker shades of paint to add more definitions and contrast to Imran Khan's face and features. Next, we'll start adding in the finer details of the portrait, such as the shadings on his face, the textures of his face, and any other details that will make the portrait more realistic. Finally, we'll add the finishing touches to the portrait by adding highlights to curtain areas to make them pop. We'll step back and assess our work to make sure everything looks balanced. And now, why Imran Khan is my hero? Imran Khan is not just a politician but a true inspiration. He was a world-renowned cricketer and went on to use his platform for the greater good of his country. He founded the Shaukat Khanum Cancer Hospital in honor of his late mother and has also been instrumental in creating social welfare programs and improving the youth of Pakistan. His unwavering commitment to his country and his people make him a true hero in my eyes. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial on creating a watercolor portrait of my hero Imran Khan. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fine arts tutorial. Bye bye.